Hello happy people, welcome to the Philip Effect. In this video today I'll be doing an unboxing of the WAHL 300. So here it is. Just move the camera a little bit. So this is the WAHL 300 or Home Pro 300. All right, I just ordered for it a few days ago on what's it called, on Amazon. Quite a quick delivery, so I'm just trying to figure out how to open it and then we can get going. So first I need to open it from here. This is just the back. Just peeling the glue off the tape so we can get right into it. Wow. Alright, there we have it. So just take this one off. It's quite a lot of things inside. A little bit more than I thought it was, because on the website it's showing quite a few. So there we have this one, just the comb first. We put it aside. The clipper itself is wired. This type is the wired one. I always use the rechargeable, but I didn't really like them so much, so I'm trying the wired one. Then it comes with this, with the scissors for hair cutting, and then we have the little bag to it. I think this would be for keeping it if you're traveling or if you don't have a space for the whole package each time. Then you have the different gauges. I'll open this one soon, because I don't understand why they separated it from these other ones. These two are separate, but they are quite large. So this aside, and then we have the oiling kit, the brush for removing the hairs, and the little oil, the clipper oil. All right, so I'll be moving this aside first, and then let's take a look at this. I couldn't really tell why it was separated, but I just stayed open anyway. So here we have it. It's so well put together. In this little package we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside, and then we had this extra 2. All right, these 2 are the big ones. That, like, how big is this? This one have number 5 written on it. I don't know if you can see it. So that is number 5, and the right this is 5 in the middle, and then in the other side here they have 16 millimeter. This is 16 millimeter, and then on this other side they wrote 5/8. Okay, that is one of them. And then the second one, this one is 7. This is number 7. They put 7 here. And then on this side they have 22 millimeters. It's quite difficult to see. Yeah, now you can see it better. It's 22 millimeters. And then here you have the 7.8 on this other side. I think they did so different countries have different ways of reading it. I don't know. The normal ones I always used were like one and a half, or just something like, yeah, like I said. Here we have one. This is the number one. You can see it here. And then on this other side they wrote 3 millimeters, and then here is 1.8 here. And then let's just take it step by step. And then this is number 2. This is how it looks. Do it on both sides. And this is number 2. It's written here. And then on this side is written 6 millimeters. And here is 1.4. It's not focused. But I'm holding the camera with one hand, so it's 1.4. Let's keep it this way. And then on the other one, this is number 3. This is number 3 written here. If you look at it this way, you can see it better. And here is 10 millimeters written on it, and 3.8. Going to the next one. This is number 4. You can see it, number 4. This is 13 millimeters, and then half, or let me say 1/2. I'm just putting my hands on them and seeing what happens. So this is number 6 here, and then we have 19 millimeters and 3/4. And then the other one here is number 8. We've done number 7 before, so it's number 8. It's written 1 here, 8 here, and then here is 25 millimeters. All right, so I'm just gonna put this to the side so we can take a look at the actual clipper itself. All right, so I take this apart, take this off. The wire is quite long. That is impressive. I'm happy about that. So this is how it looks. It's quite heavy. It's heavier than I thought it would be, but I think that should be normal when it's professional, as advertised. Yeah, you can't really read it from the camera. Yeah, now you can. I just focused. Yeah. Can you see that? All right. This is the ones here. This is the here. You know, the interesting thing is, I just wish I could tell you what the names are called, but this is just a review or an unboxing in addition to that. So if you're buying it, you know what you should be expecting. Or oil blades before using. That is what is written here. That's why they had the oil added to it. It's just like a guide, so it's not falling and the teeth gets broken. That's what happened to one of mine that I was using before. It had a little break. One of the teeth here was broken. So if you're trying to make it fade, it's like you will see the little line it gives. That's why I decided to get a better one and a more professional one. It wasn't from WAHL anyway. So there we have it. It looks like it should be sharp. I'll be giving it a try soon, and we'll see how it goes. And this is the regulator here. That is interesting. Normally, like the one I had before, there's always a key for this. I don't have it here. I could have shown you guys, but I think most of you know what I'm talking about. It's like a key holder. It comes with it, so you can actually put it here and pull it around to regulate it. But sometimes you can use something like this too. But please understand, this didn't come with it. I'm just showing you what you could use for it, because on the review on Amazon, sometimes people complain that it's so loud. So it looks like not everybody understand that you can actually regulate how loud it gets, because that actually determines the power as well. So it's possible I turn this on and it sounded like zzz, or vibrating so loud. You can regulate it from here. If you pull it backwards, like if you put it, let me put it a little bit closer. This is like a screw. So if it's too loud, you need to pull it this way. Yeah, you need to put something here that can hold it in place, and then you roll it this way. And if it's too low, like the power is too low, you put it inside this way, and then you can turn it clockwise. But if you want to reduce this sound or the vibration, you roll it anti-clockwise. Yeah, to the right. To the right is louder, and then to the left is less sound, or also less power in most cases, I can say. Maybe someone can write it in the comment if I'm explaining it wrong. So that was it, and thank you for watching the Philip Effect. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you have other questions, you can do so in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for future updates on anything random. Bless.